Action! Hi, this is Ria. Welcome back to my channel. Today is the 24th of October, not my birthday. If you've seen all my other birthday videos, you will know. Actually, you may not. It's my birthday on 19th, not today at all. But anyway, I have got some gifts from my friends and family actually. One of the gifts is what I'm using to film this. Please, tripod. One gift. Now my friend Olivia's gift. This is her gift. She didn't write anything. She had done some wrapping with a bow or something. It came off. So this is what I have right now. I might well move all this out of the way. Out of the way. Out of the way. Everybody move. Out. 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 Okay, so this is the present. Can you see it? Can everybody see it? So I'm going to open it and oh, that was not good. I saved the paper because whenever my other friends' birthdays come, I wrap the presents with this. And I have got some canvases and this thing. So, how many canvases are here? They look like quite a few canvases. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9! Okay, I got 9 canvases. That's a lot of canvases. So now I also have this thing. Oh, it's heavy. It's one heavy thing. I don't get it. What do you? Oh, it's a interconnecting whatever metal balls. I like this. Okay, it also hangs like this. Shove it in there. Oh, it's actually shove in. Perfect. So this gift is done. I love that Olivia gave me 9 canvases. That's enough for like a year. So I'm gonna take this. My friends were helping me film this video, so if anything happens, it's strange sounds, blame on them. I'll save this because you know what I do. Okay, so next present. This is my gift from my other friend. Her name is Renee. Okay, so Renee gave me this bubble wrap. I know what it is because tie and dye. I don't like it when people say tie and dye. It's tie dye. Call it tie dye. True. So I'm unwrapping this. Ugh. I'm gonna need some scissors. Wait. So I need scissors. Can I have scissors? Got them. Magical. See? Now we just need to cut this thing open. Just amazing. So much bubble wrap. Plasticky bubble wrap. Or whatever bubble wrap is made with. 2 labels. They're on each other. I'll just come back when I'm done with this. So I've got this stuff. This is the tie and dye colors. I'm not going to open this. You're going to see this on some video. And I have string for some reason. Oh wait, they don't give you a t-shirt to tie dye on. Anyways, next present I have from Sophie. Sophie has given me something. It's fluffy. I'm going to open this as soon as possible. First, cut off the name tag. I do not need this. I had this tool behind me. How do I open this? Should I rip it? I think I should rip it. I'm going to rip it like every other person in the world does. It's a DIY t-shirt painting kit. It's so nice. The box is textured. Like, you can feel the texture. I wish you could feel it. It's so nice. Who wants to feel the texture? Olivia first. Everyone's helping me film this. The people who are in the video are helping me film this. So, anyways, this is that. The jeans. I'm going to also open this in the video. I'm going to keep this away now. Okay. So, next I have from... So this is from Renee again. So how many gifts I get from Renee? 2. Her birthday is really close to mine. So this is from her party. paint fluid art kit. I love it. She knows my favorite shade is blue. It's like this. I'm totally cheating because I'm playing with the other metal ball thing. Anyways, I like the metal balls. Next, from Arjun Vadyar, Arjun Twinnerati, the World of Twins on YouTube. Say hi to them. Hi. So, it had happy birthday that she can't write happy for some reason. So, no. Also, I just want to say I know it's a book. See the texture, flimsy, whackable. Is whackable a word? It's beautiful outside.
Yes, whackable is a word.
Whackable is a word. Who knew? Did you know? You better have not known. Yeah. Oh, Mallory Tower's second book, perfect timing. I just finished reading the first one. I know. I'm 9, I read it. So second form. Okay, I'll read this later. That will not be in some art video because it's not art. This one, so this is from Emma. I want to just see the packaging because it's super cute. Happy Woofy birthday, Ria, because you know I love dogs. So Woofy, Wodfy, day, Woofy, year, woof. I know I love it. Thank you, Emma. I just want to see what's in this. It's a book. Finding dog. So they're both dog books.
Yeah.
That's why it's Happy Woofy Birthday. Red Panda. Red Panda. I've seen this logo before. I don't remember where though. Never mind. I love these. I think. Okay. And for young reader. I'm not that young. I'm 9. Anyways, I've got this from my brother. I don't know what his name is. Seriously, I don't know his name. Okay, so I totally forgot his name, but this, I know it is. Feel it again. It's a canvas with paint. I can feel it. Anyway, I'm going to unbox this now. It's satisfying. I love the sound of tape feeling. That was not as satisfying. Guessed it. Acrylic colors. Good. I have enough paint already, but who doesn't need more paint? 2 canvases. So I have 11 canvases from just today. Perfect. This is a big canvas. I don't paint on these big. Wait, is this already been unwrapped? What? No, it's okay. It has been unwrapped. It's dirty. I'll paint over it anyway, so that's that. And my last gift. So this is from my friend Olivia. No, not Olivia. I got her gift already. Susan. Susan gave me this and it's wrapped in newspaper because she didn't have any paper, but shiny paper, but that's okay. Who cares? And I could just rip that. This is a Glam Girl gel pen kit. So I think gel pens. Okay, great. Gel pens. Satisfying. So, okay, so it says these pens are scented. I'm not saying scented punch. Smells like soap to me. But okay, this is my gift from Susan. Thank you, Susan. She's helping me film this. So you will see all of these things. I love them all in some on craft videos. Maybe next time. I don't know. I have many other projects going on. Maybe next month since I will unbox this. Thank you everybody who is also helping me film this at the same time. Wait, bye. Sometimes things become late. You can't stay.